Hi, this is Karen with Renovated Faith, and today I'm going to show you how to add ribbon to a Christmas tree. Here I have my tree, I have my lights on it, and I want to have the look of ribbon going in and out of the tree. But to do that, here's my main tip. You don't want to use just a huge long string of ribbon to do that because it's going to be really frustrating. What you want to do is take 3-foot strips of your ribbon, or approximately that, and you're going to create that wave effect going in and out of the tree with just these smaller strips, and it's a whole lot easier to work with. So I'm going to start here, and each 3-foot strip will make 2 waves or 2 swoops, and you'll see what I mean once I start. So I'm just going to poke that in there and then push the center in and then push the other end in. Okay, so you see what I mean by the 2 swoops? And I'm just going to keep doing the same thing over and over. Here's another 3-foot piece. I'm just going to come over here, poke one in, poke the center in, and then the end. So see how it looks like the ribbon is coming in and out of the tree? So I like to start with the ribbon that I like the most and that I want to show up the most, and then start with other ribbons. So be sure to go to renovatedfaith.com to see my completed tree with all the ribbon on it. Thank you.